Hi, good afternoon. I'm Gary Forshner of Stark & Stark, a shareholder and attorney in the Real Estate and Land Use Group. We do a lot of land use in general and solar projects in particular. I'm here today with Chris Savastano, who is the Director of Commercial Development for NJR Clean Energy Ventures, an affiliate of New Jersey Natural Gas. Chris has over 20 years experience in the energy industry, and he's here to tell us about the dynamic and fast-paced and fast-growing field of solar energy. Thank you very much, Chris. Welcome back. This is Gary Forshner of Stark & Stark. I'm here once again with Chris Savastano of NJR Clean Energy Ventures. Chris, the project we worked on was a huge project, and as you talked about before, everything went smoothly. Really impressed by the team that you guys put together and how well everything came together. Tell me who NJR is and what you're not only currently doing, but what you anticipate as changes in the future or more opportunities in the future.
Absolutely, Gary. Thank you. So New Jersey Resources is a Fortune 1000 energy services company, and NJR Clean Energy Ventures is a subsidiary of NJR. And we were tasked with investing in clean energy technologies, initially throughout the state of New Jersey, and then looking, for other, not just states to get involved in, but also technology types. Our initial investments have been focused here specifically in New Jersey, and we talked about the McGraw-Hill project as well as some others, including our residential program. We've focused both on net metered, where the host customer is purchasing power from us, as well as some wholesale projects. And I think with those projects, we've committed roughly $130 million and the equivalent of about 30 megawatts of power.
It's huge.
Absolutely, absolutely, and then just fantastic work by the whole team, including some of our partners, so Stark & Stark and others. At NJR CEV, we're committed to supporting New Jersey's renewable goals, as well as focusing on the economic development and the job growth opportunities that are there. And in addition to solar, as we've discussed earlier, we're also concentrating some of our time looking at other technologies, including wind and biomass, both here in the state and in other states as well, with the intention of developing a portfolio of technologies and investments that represent really a variety of different project types, both direct with customers and wholesale as well. Because at the end of the day, we've talked about this, we don't believe that there's going to be any clear winners with regard to technology. We see the future of clean energy really being in different technologies, different resources, and having a mix. And we feel like supporting that mix of resources, looking at the technologies, really gives us a chance to invest both in the state in terms of economic development, job growth, and other things, and really provide not only positive benefits to the customers and the clients we work with, but also to our shareholders as well.
That's wonderful. And what I've seen with NJR is you guys are very much cutting edge. You not only have the resources to make it work in the industry, but you have the motivation, the ambition to do so. Very much up on the latest technologies, the latest opportunities, been creative in terms of making deals work. That's what made, in part, the deal with McGraw-Hill work. And I thank you for giving the opportunity to participate with you in that. Again, want to thank Chris Savastano and our friends at NJR for their participation coming down today, Chris, and talking to us. Again, thank you, and I encourage you to check out the rest of our podcasts. Thank you.